The best way to top up your GrabPay wallet using a credit card starts with understanding which method gives you the highest approval rate, the lowest fees, and the fastest processing time. GrabPay has tightened its rules in recent years, so choosing the correct route ensures your top-up goes through smoothly without declined transactions or hidden charges. The most reliable approach is using a major international credit card such as Visa or MasterCard issued by a bank that supports e-wallet top-ups. These cards usually provide instant authorization, and the funds reflect in your GrabPay wallet within seconds. Before topping up, confirm your card is activated for online transactions and has no regional restrictions. This single step prevents most failed attempts. Start the top-up process by opening the Grab app, going to your wallet, and selecting the credit card option. Add your card details securely through Grab's encrypted system. Once added, choose the amount you want to load. While Grab may charge a small convenience fee for certain cards, the speed and reliability of this method make it the preferred choice for many users, especially those who rely on GrabPay for daily transport, food orders, or bills. Another effective method is using a cashback or rewards credit card. When paired with GrabPay top-ups, these cards allow you to earn points or cashback on every transaction, turning each top-up into an opportunity to save money or accumulate travel rewards. Always check your bank's policy on e-wallet top-ups to confirm eligibility for rewards, as some banks exclude them. To keep your transactions smooth, maintain a clean record with your bank, ensure your credit limit is not close to maxed out, and avoid multiple failed attempts in a short period. These behaviors reduce the chance of bank security blocks. Using the right credit card and following these steps gives you consistent approval, fast funding, and better value with every GrabPay top-up.